In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify store theme. Let's get started right away. So this is actually very easy. All you need to do is sign in to your account on Shopify, go to the home page, and then you can take a look at the menu bar, the sidebar right there. And then you should be able to find online store, and you want to click on that. Now once you click on that, it's automatically going to send you over to themes right there. As you can see right there, themes, and then current theme, theme library. So what you can do, you can click right there on customize, or you can scroll down and click on free themes. So explore Shopify free themes, all designed to offer the best homepage customization. So click right there on explore free themes, and if you don't mind paying, you can also just click right there. But for this video, I'm just gonna keep it free. I'm gonna take a look at the free Shopify themes. So right there, you'll then find these. So there are 9 available as of right now: Simple, Boundless, Venture, Debut, Supply, Narrative, Express, Minimal, and Brooklyn. So you can then click on one of them and you can play around with some of the customization. So classic or playful. I kind of like playful a little bit better, so I'm gonna go with that one. And then you can click on add to theme library. So you simply want to find a Shopify theme that you like, and then you want to add it. So it's currently adding Brooklyn to my themes, and all you need to do next is, once you've added one, you can actually select that. So you can see right there that it's still adding Brooklyn, and there you go, just add it, not customized yet. So you can then click right there on customize, and you can then customize that theme. Now my store is just a empty store for the for these videos. But right here, you can then play around with all of this. So you can click right there on change theme style if you want to. You can then choose the classic or the playful one. Now, like I said, because my store is empty, this doesn't make any difference at all. But if you have a store, you can play around with this, with these styles and different themes, and you can then pretty much change your store theme. So yeah, that's pretty much how you would do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And like I said, you can also choose the paid ones by clicking right there on visit the theme store, and that should take you over to the paid ones as well. But if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below, and then I'll try and get back to you. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.